the heart of an upscale automotive showroom, where sleek lines and cutting-edge design meet, stands the 2025 Toyota GR Yaris, an embodiment of power, precision, and performance. The showroom itself is a masterpiece, its polished floor reflecting the glint of soft white LED lighting that bathes the room in an aura of sophistication. It's a space designed not only to showcase cars but to elevate them into art pieces, and this Toyota GR Yaris, with its striking presence, is no exception. The first thing that strikes you about the GR Yaris is its bold, dynamic design. With an aerodynamic, aggressive stance, it exudes a sense of speed and agility, even when standing still. Its sculpted body seems to cut through the air, designed to enhance both performance and aesthetics. The sharp lines along the sides of the car flow seamlessly, from the front to the back, creating a visual impression of movement. The gloss of the red paint glows under the spotlight, accentuating the car's athletic form, while subtle black accents give it an extra edge of sportiness. On the rear, the prominent spoiler hints at the car's racing heritage, making clear that this is not a mere road car, but a machine built to thrill. As your eyes move down, you notice the unique alloy wheels, their intricate design adding a touch of elegance, further enhancing the car's high-performance image. Beneath the hood of this compact powerhouse lies a turbocharged 1.6-liter engine, a true marvel of engineering that promises to deliver exhilarating speed and handling, perfect for those who crave the thrill of the open road. It's the kind of car that demands to be driven hard, with a low, wide stance and a finely tuned chassis that promises to keep you in perfect control. The license plate reads, GR Yaris, a simple yet effective testament to the car's performance-oriented lineage. Toyota's Gazoo racing division has poured years of motorsport experience into this creation, making it a road car that feels like a rally car. The GR Yaris is not just about speed, it's about precision, about making every drive feel like a victory lap. As you glance at the license plate, it serves as a reminder that this car is not just another vehicle. It's a symbol of Toyota's commitment to innovation and performance. Inside, the GR Yaris is equally impressive, offering a driver-focused cockpit that places everything you need within easy reach. The racing-inspired seats are designed for comfort and support, offering a firm grip during spirited driving. The center console is sleek and modern, with a high-tech infotainment system that ensures you're always connected, no matter how fast you're going. The materials inside are high quality, with touches of carbon fiber and leather adding to the car's premium feel. Every detail, from the dashboard layout to the steering wheel, has been designed with performance in mind. As you step back to take in the full picture, you can't help but appreciate how the GR Yaris blends form and function seamlessly. The showroom, with its minimalist design and soft lighting, allows the car to take center stage, turning this automotive space into an experience. The surrounding ambience complements the car's presence, highlighting its sleek curves and fierce personality. In this showroom, the GR Yaris is not just a car, it's a statement, an invitation to push the limits of performance and style. This is more than just a display of automotive excellence, it's a celebration of what Toyota has achieved with the GR Yaris. A car that is as much about passion as it is about precision, as much about speed as it is about control. It is a car that promises to excite, to thrill, and to deliver a driving experience unlike any other.